Samsung's future foldable flagship, the Galaxy Z Fold 7, is set for an unveiling this summer. As we approach its introduction, fresh leaks are revealing an early view of its appearance and functionalities. Reports suggest that the Galaxy Z Fold 7 could take major design influence from the Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition. This special version foldable, which is unique to China, is known for its ultra-slim design and somewhat bigger screens. Regarding the predicted release date of the Galaxy Z Fold 7, Samsung has developed a regular trend for the debut of its foldable smartphones during its annual Galaxy Unpacked event. By reviewing prior launches, we can make an informed estimate about when the Z Fold 7 will be introduced. The Galaxy Z Fold 4 was formally launched on August 10, 2022, and became available on August 25, 2022. Following that, Samsung introduced the Galaxy Z Fold 5 on July 26, 2023, at its first-ever Unpacked presentation in South Korea. The Galaxy Z Fold 5 was subsequently internationally launched on August 11, 2023. Keeping in accordance with this tradition, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 was announced at the Unpacked event on July 10, 2024. When can we expect the Galaxy Z Fold 7? According to Samsung's prior launch cycles, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 is projected to be launched between July 20th and August 10th, 2025. The formal revelation will happen during Samsung's annual Galaxy Unpacked event. In terms of availability, the phone is slated to debut in late August 2025. Are you looking forward to Samsung's next foldable? Samsung may have finally fixed the foldable crease issue with a new display. The crease has always been one of the biggest problems of foldable phones, but Samsung Display may have completely eliminated this issue with a new design exhibited at MWC 2025. This innovation might perhaps debut on the Galaxy Z Fold 7 Ultra, rather than the Galaxy Z Fold 7, which is slated to be launched later this summer. Samsung Display, working separately from Samsung Electronics, demonstrated a creaseless foldable screen at the Phone Focus conference. The prototype was witnessed by Android Central, and despite the two divisions being technically independent, Samsung Electronics receives its display panels from Samsung Display. If this unique screen is production-ready, it might be integrated into the Z Fold 7 Ultra, which is slated to be introduced in July during Samsung's Summer Unpacked presentation. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.